Tinitignan ko talaga ng mabuti kung may nag-transfer ba ng product. And hello! Today, titry ko tong Elana Loose Mineral Foundation with SPF 16. They have 10 shades. Meron silang refillable jar and I'm in the shade Cafe Mocha. Wala pa akong nilalagay sa face ko, so itong loose foundation na kagad yung i-apply ko. The Elana Loose Mineral Foundation is buildable, but since dito lang naman ako sa house, I'll just apply a thin layer all over my face. It leaves a matte finish and it's really good for someone like me na combination skin type, oily sa T-zone. And I'm using a tissue to see kung meron bang magta-transfer, and I'm impressed. There's minimal to none, as in minimal lang. May video pa kasi ako later, so tinapos ko na yung makeup ko and time check, 4:22 ng hapon. So, ito yung closer look ng makeup ko. This is after 5 hours na nakaharap sa malakas na ilaw. As you can see, oily na ng face ko and nag-reapply ako just to see kung ano yung itsura. Ito yung wala at ito yung meron, and natuwa ko kasi instant fresh ka ulit dito. Now I know kung bakit nag-viral to.